Today I am telling you the method of meditation. This is the second part. To do this meditation, first of all, you wake up in the morning and sit in a place where there is a calm environment. Then it is very good. If not, then sit in your room. Find place to sit that feels calm and quiet to you. If you're just beginning, it can help to choose a short time, such as 5 or 10 minutes. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor. You can sit loosely cross-legged. You can kneel. All are fine. Just make sure you are stable and in a position you can stay in for a while. Feel your breath. Follow the sensation of your breath as it goes in and as it goes out. Notice when your mind has wandered. Inevitably, your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you get around to noticing that your mind has wandered, in a few seconds, a minute, 5 minutes, simply return your attention to the breath. Don't judge yourself or obsess over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back now. Take care of your breath. First, your breath will last longer. When the breath lasts longer, then many thoughts will come in your mind, which are good thoughts as well as bad thoughts. You don't have to worry. Thoughts will keep coming and thoughts will keep going. Don't think about any idea. Just pay attention to your breath. Slowly the speed of breathing will decrease. At that time your body will be slightly bent. Bending of the body is a good sign. It means you have entered into meditation. When this happens, you will become empty of thoughts. No thought will come to your mind. Then a golden light will appear between your two eyes. The powers of the universe will start entering your body. That's it. That's the practice. You focus your attention, your mind wanders, you bring it back, and you try to do it as kindly as possible. It's estimated that 95% of our behavior runs on autopilot. That's because neural networks underlie all of our habits, reducing our millions of sensory inputs per second into manageable shortcuts so we can function in this crazy world. These default brain signals are so efficient that they often cause us to relapse into old behaviors before we remember what we meant to do instead. Mindfulness is the exact opposite of these default processes. It's executive control rather than autopilot, and enables intentional actions, willpower, and decisions. But that takes practice. The more we activate the intentional brain, the stronger it gets. Every time we do something deliberate and new, we stimulate neuroplasticity, activating our gray matter, which is full of newly sprouted neurons that have not yet been groomed for autopilot brain. But here's the problem. While our intentional brain knows what is best for us, our autopilot brain causes us to shortcut our way through life. So how can we trigger ourselves to be mindful when we need it most? This is where the notion of behavior design comes in. It's a way to put your intentional brain in the driver's seat. There are 2 ways to do that. First, slowing down the autopilot brain by putting obstacles in its way, and second, removing obstacles in the path of the intentional brain, so it can gain control. Do this meditation practice every day for 5 minutes. When your practice is done, then you can increase the time. You will get many benefits, like insomnia disease will end. New energy will circulate in the body. Many diseases of the body will end. Will have the power to read the mind of another. Age will increase. Body will be young. People of all ages can do this meditation. If you did not like this video, then dislike it and tell me why you did not like it. This is our very ancient Indian knowledge. In the next video I will tell the next practice of meditation. Thank you.
Oh.